Hello everyone. So within this video, I'm just going to give you a very quick overview of the group discussion board function on Blackboard. So I'm going to tell you how you can find and also contribute to a discussion within this area of the Blackboard site. So before I do that though, I just want to give you a very quick overview of the different group discussion boards that you will have access to as well during your course. So as you will have noticed from the previous videos, on the core course site, which is the one that is currently showing on your screen, there are two discussion boards that you will have access to. The first one is in the communication area and it's called General Discussion Board. So that is a discussion board that all the students in the different cohorts will have access to. And that's because there's some key issues that are relevant to all the different cohorts, for instance, the Student Staff Committee. So that's an example of a forum that you can access within that general discussion board, and you can post on that, etc. There is also the group or cohort specific discussion board as well that can be accessed on the course site. And that is displayed on the left hand side now. And within that group discussion board, it's only the students within your cohort who will have access to it. And that's one that I'm going to be using as an example in a minute to show you how you can contribute to your discussion board. So moving away from the core course site, on the module Blackboard sites, there are also group specific discussion boards as well, which again, only the students in your cohort will have access to. So within those discussion boards on the module sites, they are designed to be very specific to that module. So you can raise points and discuss points relating to that module content, the assessment, etc. Okay, so to move on and talk about how you can contribute to a discussion board, as I mentioned, this is a group discussion board on the core course site. So as you can see, the forum is September 2019. So if I click in to that forum, there are many different threads. These are what we call threads. So they will have a specific theme, and these have already been set up by the personal tutor for this cohort. So in order to contribute to a thread, you need to click on the title and that will take you through to all the comments that are within that thread. And these are often listed through the page, and you can scroll down to look at all the various different comments. You can also collapse them or expand them if you wish. So to respond to a post, you just need to click on the reply button and a text box will appear where you can write or type your comment or discussion point. You can also possibly add a file if you need to supplement that post, and then you can either save it as a draft, which means nobody else will have sight to that, but you can come back at a later date and edit that post if you wish, or you can submit it. So once you have submitted it, it will go on the thread and everybody who has access to that thread will be able to see that post. So if I submit that comment, you can see it's now appeared. However, you can also delete your post after you have completed it or submitted it, and you can also edit it as well if you wish. There, and then I can just submit it again. So if I come out of that thread back into the forum using the breadcrumb, as you can see, there's many different threads, and sometimes you can become a bit conscious that you will miss key posts or comments that are happening within those threads. And to overcome that, what you can do is you can subscribe to a forum. So that subscribe button can be seen here on the screen. So if you click on that subscribe button, that means that you will be notified every time somebody posts within those threads. So what will happen is when a fellow student or a personal tutor or academic staff member posts on those threads, you will be sent an email to your student account, and that email will contain a link to the specific thread where the comment has been posted. And if you click on that, you can then find that post and you can comment or respond to it if you wish. So through using that function, that means that you don't miss out on any important discussion points that is happening. Okay, so I'll leave it there for now, but if you do have any questions about how group discussion boards work, then please do contact your personal tutor.